Hi guys, it's Kelly from the ECCDC, just doing a quick video of a brand new Provocation for Learning kit we have in our lending library called Preschoolers and School Agers Explore Building with Natural Blocks and Loose Parts. So let's take a look at what's inside. Inside this kit we have a variety of different wooden blocks. Some are natural that have been painted, but we have some that have also been left in their natural wood finish. We've also included a variety of loose parts with different textures, including this tree bark. And then we've also got some sticks of various different barks, textures, and sizes. Additionally, we've got 3 small jars with loose parts in them that can be explored either inside the jar or you can take them out to sort them. As always, we include educator resources in all of our Provocation for Learning kits, including this higher order thinking prompts card, a thinking lens for inquiry card, as well as photos with questions that you can use to engage the children as they're using the materials. We also have fiction and nonfiction books. So be sure to visit our website at eccdc.org to check out this kit or the rest of the kits we have in our catalog. You can also stop by our lending library to borrow the kit, or for more information, visit our website.